Alright guys, I just got an awesome thing on my porch that I've been wanting for a long time. A Suspenz with a Z canoe cart. It has airless wheels, so you don't have to worry about getting a flat. They're extra tall, they're all-terrain. And what you do is you set your canoe on the center of this and you're able to walk it long distances. 15-inch Maglite wheels, airless, no flat tires. Oversized heavy-duty foam padding with durable rugged cover. And a spring-loaded kickstand for easy and stable loading. Plus it comes with the 2 straps. This was a $200 cart, guys. It is top of the line. I did not want to cheat myself and go with cheap when it came to something like this. I got 2 places that I've been wanting to fish for a long time, and they're both 3/4 of a mile walk. But the good thing is they're both on gravel roads that are gated off. They are both public, but they are walk-in lakes. And this will give me an advantage. I'll be able to fish these lakes by walking my canoe back to them from now on. They're both close to home, so it's going to be worth it because it's going to be 2 places that I'll continue to go if they're both good. Now, I already know one of them's good because I fished it from the bank, but they're hard to walk around. So the very few anglers that do fish these 2 lakes, they're very limited on what they're able to do. So I'm gonna get this thing open and get it assembled, and let's show a video of me walking my canoe around the yard. I'm gonna test it out. So I'm basically giving a review of this thing. Here's the brain, guys, Suspenz. Alright guys, we got this thing put together. Got the 2 long straps on that side, the 2 ratchets on this side, the wheels on, and 4 pins. Got the kickstand down right now. I'm going to try to slide the canoe on here and see what happens. Getting roll. This is the kickstand. Right here. When you're done, you put it on. Because if you try to put it on like this, it's going to roll. So you have that down, it's supposed to hold it.
Not feet? That's the big. I mean, that's small.
Let me know if it starts tipping. Did it roll? Is it moving when I do that?
The wheels is moving, but not. I don't.
Hard to do by yourself. Okay, that's how you do it. You go about 1 more foot. About right there. So then what you do, you leave it down. Like that. Alright. Now what I'm going to do, guys, that camera's crooked. Got the camera crooked. Right now what I'm going to do, guys, is throw the ratchets or the straps over and tighten it down. Now what I got to get though, I got to go buy one of them things Virgil has, the strap. Stay with the canoe upside down, but I'm always going to whip my stuff inside. Alright, so I got the straps going across, guys. Tighten them down. I do not have everything I want for this. I do not want to be carrying the canoe from this all the time when I'm walking. I'm going to get me a bungee strap that's just about 3 or 4 foot long where I can hold that thing. So I'm going to see how weightless this is. Oh my God, very impressive, guys. It's like you don't even notice it's 105 pounds whatsoever.
You don't up that things, the steel.
Guys, you don't even notice. It feels like it's 20 pounds. Listen, you don't even know. The anchor, the tub, fishing pole, everything in there, it won't feel really any different. I'll be adding another 100 pounds and it's just like nothing. Look at me. Very impressed, guys. Rolls very easy. Oh my. Look at this, I can do a 360, look, just like nothing.
Yeah, because it's flat and it going up.
Well, I ain't got a hill to try it on yet, but I will.
Oh shit, man. I can't wait to tell Keith about that one. That one. That one.
Just go.
Although I have not used it much yet, I'm very impressed. I do recommend it. I can tell it's gonna do its job, without a doubt. Very impressed. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna get in the house. I've had a rough 10-hour day at work, and we'll do this some more. We're gonna use it this weekend.